We'll guide you through how to make a green screen in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Blender users want to control how their background appears in renders without affecting lighting. This technique is especially useful for creating clean or colored backgrounds for presentations. First, open Blender on your desktop to begin the process. Once it is open, press Ctrl and O on your keyboard to open a file. Select and open your previous project from the file browser. After your project loads, go to the shading panel located at the top of the interface. In the node panel on the top left, choose the world option so you can edit the background settings. Next, press Shift and A to add a new node. Type Mix Shader in the search box and add it to the panel between the background node and the world output node. After that, click on the background node and duplicate it by pressing Shift and D. Place the duplicated node properly and connect it into the second shader input of the Mix Shader node. Then, change the color of the second background node into green so it will act as your alternate background. Press Shift and A again to add another node. This time, type Light Path and add it to the panel. Once it appears, connect the camera ray output from the Light Path node into the FAC input on the Mix Shader node. This setup allows the background to appear differently depending on the camera view. After connecting everything, check the result first on the view panel at the top to see if it works correctly. Next, you can set the brightness for your model by adjusting the strength value on the first background node. Increase or decrease it until the lighting looks suitable for your scene. After that, go back to the layout panel at the top of the screen. Make sure you already have a camera in your project, then press numpad 0 to switch into camera view. Adjust the camera if needed to frame your model properly. Finally, press F12 to render your scene. Wait for the render to complete and review the final image to ensure everything appears as expected with the correct lighting and background setup.